Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a video that I hope is going to help some of you, because I know from speaking to a few drivers, they're not sure how to use a coffee maker when their truck comes with one. So that I'll just do a quick video, show you how to use it. So obviously this is your jug. So first question that my mate asked me was, how much water do I put in? Well, take your cup, your mug, your thermal mug, whatever you're using, fill it to the top with water and pour it in here, and then remember where it is. So for a Greg's reusable plastic mug, it needs to be at about 3.5 on this one. So you put your water in, then in the jug you're going to need a paper filter. Now you're probably thinking, well, where do I get all this stuff? What size do I need? All the information is going to be in the description below. But for this Scania coffee maker, you use number 2 paper filters. Number 2. Got these from Amazon. I think you get 300 for a few quid. Anyway, the link is going to be in the description below. So you put your filter in, and I've got one of these caddies made by Coffeegator. Keeps your ground coffee fresh, and it comes with a little measuring spoon. One level spoon, into the filter, seal this up. Your coffee weakens if air gets to it, so get a nice airtight container, sort that out. You put it back in. Obviously I haven't put any water in, because it's believe it or not, it's bedtime for me, and it's only about 4:30. So I don't want coffee at this time. This is getting it ready for the morning. So once that's back in, close the lid, little button here, you push it, this LED goes red and it starts doing its thing. I nearly said boiling the water, but you should never boil water for coffee. But the cold water becomes hot, it gets pumped up here, drips through the ground coffee into the jug. When it's finished, it will beep and this LED will turn green. Push the power button again and it goes off. Then you just lift the lid, you take the jug out, your coffee will be in there. So pour your coffee into your mug, and then your paper filter with the wet grounds, just scoop that out and put it in the bin, or in a rubbish bag, however you deal with your rubbish when you're out on the road. And that, guys, is how you have fresh coffee using your in-cab percolator. It works out at about 40p a cup. I can't show you, this is my last bit of coffee. I've ordered some more again from Amazon, so I can't show you the coffee that I get. Take it from me, my wife says I'm a coffee snob, and I completely agree with her. I'm really fussy about my coffee, so I'm going to put a link again in the description showing you which coffee I use. If you get the coffee through the link, I get a little bit of commission. You don't pay any more for your coffee, and that's it. So I hope this has helped some of you guys that are a bit unsure how to use them, and you can enjoy a nice fresh brew every morning. Alright, thanks for watching. Ta-ra.